Hello, this is 1980 Han Solo, and I'm going to give you another Transformer review on Transformers Prime Legion class, Ratchet. Another cool Legion class. I like it. A lot of people probably won't like it, but I'm not too strict on my toys. Like Octobotomus or F and Franks. Those guys are pretty strict on their toys, but they're good reviewers. Octobotomus is very strict, but he's a good reviewer. He's one of my favorites, and so is P-Hug, and who else? Oh, EMG, something like that. What's his name? Emgo, yeah, that's his name, Emgo. He's a good reviewer too. Yeah. Anyways, this is Ratchet, Legion class, and I gave him another weapon from another Autobot Legion class. He rolls pretty good. He's got some nice paint apps, black windshield, silver grill, white and red. Yeah, it's pretty cool. Let me transform him for you. Very easy. Very quick and easy. Move the top off. Separate the top, and his head already pops out. And he just folds out. And his feet. Just angle them. That's it. And there he is. Ratchet. I actually painted his eyes, because his eyes don't come painted, but I painted them. I painted them blue, of course. Yeah, the eyes don't come painted, so I painted them. We got a nice little Autobot symbol there. Pretty cool paint detail. Silver stomach. It's pretty cool. I like them. And now he only comes with one gun, but I gave him another one. I think this one's from Mirage. The other one's from Mirage. Mirage comes with one of these guns, but I gave Mirage another gun, so I just gave this one to Ratchet. Because in one of the scenes in the cartoon, he takes on the zombies with Optimus Prime, and he has 2 blades, so I gave him 2 blades. Yeah, he pose pretty good. See if I can stand him. I like his posing. Maybe if I help him out with the knife there, cheat a little bit. Yeah, there you go. Good pose, pretty good. Transformer back. Very easy. Oh, let's see. Just flip these up again. Flip them up. Just like that. And you just put the feet back again. Like that. You just flip this back up like this. Actually, you might want to put this on first. Peg them together first. And then you can flip them. And that should just go in. Just like that. Very easy. I'm actually liking these Transformer Prime Legion classes. They are coming out more, a little bit more detailed from the Dark of the Moon versions. Like I'll also got some Dark of the Moon Legend classes. So I'll be reviewing those later. Put his guns back on. There you go. Transformers Prime Legion class Ratchet. Thanks for watching.